Let's talk about something you won't see on Drive to Survive. A quiet moment of greatness that happened off the track, behind closed doors and deep inside the Mercedes motorhome. When Lewis Hamilton walked away from Mercedes, the Lewis Hamilton, the seven-time world champion, the man who changed the game, he didn't just leave behind his race suit and his legacy. He left something personal, human, a handwritten message, tucked away in what used to be his driver room. And now, it belongs to Kimi Antonelli, the kid who's been signed to replace the legend. Yeah, you heard me right. Antonelli, just 18 years old, is now the heir to the Silver Arrow throne. No pressure, right? Well, guess what? When Antonelli stepped into that room at Imola for the first European GP of the 2025 season, just a stone's throw from his hometown in Bologna, he found it. The note, Hamilton's farewell and welcome. A message so powerful, so personal, that Antonelli won't reveal exactly what it says. And honestly, that makes it even better. Because sometimes the best moments in F1 aren't broadcast. They're felt. What we do know, thanks to Mercedes comms boss Bradley Lord, is this. The message told Antonelli to take care of the team, and that the team would take care of him. Hamilton didn't just wish him luck. He passed the torch with class, with heart, with wisdom that only a true legend could give. And here's the kicker. Mercedes literally cut a piece of glass to seal that note to the wall. It's permanent, untouchable, forever part of that room. That's the kind of stuff they don't teach you in racing school. That's legacy. Antonelli says he sees it every day, uses it as motivation, calls it amazing. But I'll say what he won't. This is the most badass passing of the torch we've seen in modern F1. Hamilton didn't need to do it. He chose to, because he's not just a world champion. He's a class act, a mentor, a man who understands the weight of the moment. Let's be real. Most F1 fans will forget pole positions. They'll forget who got 5 pesos in Miami. But this, a personal handwritten message from Hamilton to the kid replacing him, immortalized behind glass, that's history. And if you felt chills hearing this story, don't pretend you didn't. Then do the right thing. Smash that like button, hit subscribe. See you next lap.